Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is Helton's Computer Repair here with a video for you. On this video, we're pretty much going to be showing you how to download a free antivirus protection. The antivirus that we're going to be showing you is how to install AVG antivirus free. Let's go ahead and get started. So first thing, you go ahead and just open up a browser. I'm pretty much going to go ahead and Microsoft Edge. You can choose any browser, Chrome. If you want to use Firefox, you pretty much get the same concept. And what we're going to do is go ahead and just type in avg.com. And it'll pretty much come up, see if their site comes up for it. As we value your privacy, you get the concept. And by default, right on their site, it says Avast, the free antivirus you're looking for. And pretty much here's the free download. Honestly, you can choose this again. You can choose the ultimate. Honestly, it likes to install third party, so I'm actually going to go to this PC and select AVG antivirus free and select it. And it'll take us to the location. Once you get to there, go ahead and select free download. Now, it does also is available for Androids, Mac, or iPhone. So if you do want to install them on there, that is a good recommendation for it. But regardless, I'm going to select the free download for Windows 10. Now, it could be possible it might pop up on the bottom area or the right corner. Regardless, a vast file is there. So I'm going to go ahead and press open up file. And once you get to there, go ahead and press yes, because it's pretty much going to be prompted most likely. Now, if it didn't come to there on your downloads, it might be possibly saved underneath your Explorer, underneath downloads. It could be differently based on it. Regardless, we have the program pretty much being installed right now. So I pretty much go ahead and exit the browser. I don't need it anymore. I'm going to go ahead and let this program do its work. So here we are, AVG antivirus free setup. AVG is a free system. I actually would press install right now, but I'm actually going to go customize. I want to be sure there's any third party or any programs that get installed with this. So I'm going to choose customize. It tells you if you want to install the file shield, stuff like that, cleanup, do not disturb mode, stuff like that. That's actually pretty much the best recommendations. There's minimals right here, but honestly do recommend it. There's customization, so if you don't want it to be like, you can uncheck which ones you don't want to. I'm honestly going to leave the recommendation. This one's the recommended protection. Now I'm going to press install. Now on the right corner, as you do see, it says that it's installing AVG antivirus free. Do not turn off your computer. Honestly, if you do turn off your computer when it's installing, you might corrupt your system for it. Not really the computer itself, but the program might be corrupted. So you'll probably just need to just download and reinstall it again. And that should resolve the issue. But regardless, I'm going to let it do its work. Alrighty, so it's pretty much almost done. Let's see what happens right now. Let's see if anything pops up. So now it was actually just downloading additional files. So I think now it's actually officially, or it extracted, and here's the officially installation. So let's see what it does. So here we are, AVG antivirus free has pretty much been installed. It tells us welcome to protecting your real time. Press continue. It tells us if you want to upgrade. This is actually not bad at all. Look at this. For a recommendation for internet security, it's literally $2.49 a month. Come on, guys. If you have this option, take it. Regardless, I'm going to continue with the free version because it's just a program. I'm going to go ahead and press run scan if you want to. And let it do its work. And pretty much it's going to continue. Scanning your browser threads. Honestly, just going to press stop scan because this is just a virtual computer. And here we are. We're pretty much set. And you have antivirus, AVG antivirus free. That's there. Now, technically, the premium, again, it's very cheap. So if you ever decide to upgrade, I would say go for it. But here we are. And you're pretty much good. Thank you for watching from Helton's Computer Repair. And I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. If you disliked this video, then hit that button. But if you like it and you want to see more, hit that like button, get subscribed, comment, and tell us what other tech videos you want to see. Consider checking out our merch store, link in the video description. And for the rest, I will see you on the next video.